All right, it's called Machines at Work. And Decker's gonna read it to us. Can you start reading?
Yeah.
Okay.
You beat the green one, I'll beat the tractor.
Okay, can you read it?
Yeah.
Okay, what does it say?
It says, let's get to work.
Let's get to work.
And go home.
Okay, turn the page. Let's keep reading. Wait, just one page.
And knock down that building.
That's right, knock down that building.
Nah, nah, nah.
What's that say?
Bulldoze that tree.
Bulldoze that tree.
What's this?
I think it's just a leaf. Can you keep reading for me? What does that one say?
Build that up road.
Right, dig up that road. Look, what does this one say? It's me and you. Here, wait, read. What does that say?
Load that truck.
Load that truck.
Dump that devil.
Dump that rubble. Uh-oh, what are they doing now? Can you tell me? Will you read it?
Let's eat lunch.
Let's eat lunch. What was that one?
Digger.
That's right, next, dig a hole.
Let's do it.
That's right, mix the cement. And then what's that one?
Let's jump in.
Right, lift that beam. Build that building. Okay, what's that one say?
Build that road.
Build that road. What is that? What is this?
Steamroller.
Steamroller. What's that say? What does it say? It says okay.
Okay.
Then what? Stop.
Stop. The machine.
The machines.
Stop the machine.
And then what's that say?
Let's go home.
Let's go home.
And more work tomorrow.
More work tomorrow.
Can we read the jar book?
The what book?
Can we read the jar book?